The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is now out, and we've got the entire specifications, design, and price. So, first and foremost, we have the official marketing renders for the new S Pen case, and to be fair, they do look great. We also have a reservation page that is still active where you can book for free by just entering your name and email address, and get $50 in free credit. The storage variants and color options have been leaked, and the Fold 5 will be available in Phantom Black, Cream, or Icy Blue, with a choice of 256, 512, or 1TB storage. There will also be Samsung exclusive colors available, but only through Samsung's online store. The design is similar to the Fold 4, but the Fold 5 now folds completely flat thanks to the new hinge. And while I can't show you the leak marketing renders, they confirmed that the Z Fold 5 looks exactly the same as my renders here, with the only difference being a slight modification to the camera module on the back. While it seems to be the same, Ice Universe points out that it is 16% thinner than Fold 4, and while this is an improvement, there are still many smaller folds available. We'll also receive an enhanced display that's more robust than its predecessor, thanks in part to the redesigned hinge mechanism. And despite initial claims of IP68 water and dust resistance, it'll only be IPX8. We also had several rumors of a cheaper Fold this time around, which regrettably seem to be incorrect. And it's now expected that we'll see a $100 price hike, which would make it start from roughly $900. To be fair, there are lots of upgrades such as the display, the hinge, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so for anybody shopping for a Fold, it's certainly going to be a decent one to consider, but for someone who already has a Fold 4, it's probably not going to warrant an upgrade. Now that we know all there is to know about the gadget, I'm hopeful Samsung has some surprises in store for us at launch. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.